Okay, so now I'm going to show the back end where all the tools and all the these that you can use them to create your 360 VR tour. Okay, you can go to here login. Okay, you can log in or you can also go and create an account. You can create a paid account, but for me, I'm logging in as the admin user. Okay, so I go to login. Okay, so I already it's already because I already previously logged in. Okay, I'm already logged in, so that's why just automatically bring me to the dashboard again. So this is a dashboard area. Okay, over here you can see all the virtual tour that this admin account has created. Okay, and then all the markers. Marker is for you to link up all the 360 photo so you can move around from one room to the other. This is point of interest. Okay, I created point of interest for every room. Okay, so this one is a statistic. It shows how many visitors are there to this VR tour that I created. So I total 3,000 visitors, okay, to all these VR tour. Okay, and then okay, so I only have one user because I never really go and push this business. Okay, so want to show this. Okay, so it's statistic. Can show all the statistic over here. Everything, all the statistic. Overall. Okay. Okay, so if I go to virtual tour, here I can see all the tools available for me to create my 360 VR tour. Okay, over here media is for you to upload pictures. If you want to include some pictures or create some kind of customization, then you can upload them here. Okay, that's for you to publish the VR tour. Once you publish, you will get a link, and then you can embed the link into other people's website and things like that. People can view the 360 VR tour from other people's website. Review, administrator, subscription. So all these, okay, settings over here is for you to do the setup for the subscription plan, how you want the plan to work out, and when people subscribe to your plan, how they want to make a payment to you, things like that. Okay, you can also check the number of users you have. Okay, and then you can create your plan. So over here is for you to add plan, then create plan, fix the prices. Okay, then here is for service. Okay, so far I never add any service, but I can do it. All these are the features. Okay, then you can see the subscription plan that you have created over here. Okay, so that's the back end. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we take a look at the tools. Okay, this is the tools. Okay, most of the time you will spend your time over here doing up your 360 VR tour. Go to list tour, and then you see all the tour that you created. Okay, just now I was talking about this configuration or settings you can do to block the cookies and things like that. Okay, everything are here. All the feature function you can do is over here. Here you can go in, then you can edit. It's quite a lot of things. If I want to go through one by one, it's going to take very long time. Okay, this one is really very all-rounded. Okay, within the tools you can create contents, can create loading icon, things like that. Form, VR, can have shots. Okay, a lot. This is very robust. Okay, so I go to rooms. Okay, create all the rooms. After you create all the rooms, then you here you can create a markers, position, you can add point of interest, you can even add measurements, okay, which I will not go too in depth, but it's going to take very long. Okay, open link to it, you can duplicate, you can delete it, you can even this one even allows you to download the VR tour to your computer, and you can host it in your own server, other server, or you can even host it in your own computer. So you can show the VR tour from your computer even there's no internet. Okay, and there are so many more tools for you to use. Okay, you can even do add tour, add measurement, edit the UI. Okay, so many. Okay, it's a very robust software. Okay, so you can actually